There is a special tag for displaying an applet in a JSP. This tag will generate code that is read by the browser, and the browser will either start the Java plugin running, or it will prompt the user to download and install the Java plugin. Having Java installed on a computer does not mean that the Java plugin has been installed in the web browser. Here's the JSP page that does that. This is a simple JSP page. The only thing in it is the JSP plugin tag. This is a general purpose plugin tag that can be used to start any of your plugin programs running. In this case, the plugin to be started running is the Java Applet plugin. This is the name of the Applet class file to be run. It's a member of the application, so it's stored in the WAR file for deployment. The height and width of the applet's window is specified in the tag. The applet has no control over the size of its window. That's entirely under the control of the tag and the web browser. You can put the applet class in any directory you want inside the application, but you must specify the full path of its location. This is part of the Java security. A Java applet can read and write files directly, but only to and from the server. A further restriction is that the files must be in the directory of the code base, the directory holding the applet class, or the document base, the directory holding the HTML file that loads the applet. This restriction is a bit inconvenient for applet writing, but it prevents the possibility of an applet snooping or doing damage to a client computer. It works as long as there isn't a bug in the browser that opens up the restrictions. Here is the display of the applet. Now this is an animated applet. It has a collection of character arrays, and it displays each one in turn. It displays each character individually so it can calculate the position of each character. It starts out by figuring out where the letters ought to go, then it generates a random position for each one slightly outside the window. In the animation loop, each character is moved 1 pixel vertically and horizontally toward its preferred position. I'm not going to go through the applet code. That's really a different subject, but it is supplied as part of the source code for this course.